Hi, I'm Quincy.
And I'm Dannon.
This is our first preview.
This set is going to be retired, so get it at the Lego store on sale while you can. We'll leave a link down below.
This is the same Batcave from the TV show. This is what the building looks like when it's put together.
It comes with 9 minifigures, which are Riddler, Penguin, Catwoman, Joker, Alfred, Robin, Batman, Bruce, and Dick.
It has 3 vehicles, which is the helicopter, the motorcycle, and the Batmobile, and it has these little guns on it.
The building can separate into 3 sections. And in the tower, if you turn it around, it just looks like a normal building, but on the inside, it is so that Bruce and Dick can press back the head, press the button, and escape through their little escape route. And you can see how they escape through the side.
Something that I like, things that I like about this is that they have lots of minifigures and lots of fun vehicles and lots of things that you could play with.
We really hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe if you did. See you later, Brick Buddies!